Hi, it's Amy with Raisin Ronies. The children have been wanting to build gingerbread houses, and in the past we've bought kits, but we kind of failed. They usually flopped. I found out that we can make our own using graham crackers. So it takes graham crackers, and I have to make several because I have 7 children and my nieces and nephews. There's 4 of them, and then probably Maggie and I still want to make some, and each one takes 4 crackers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, take a serrated knife and you just take your time and be patient, and it will work out. And I don't waste any of these crackers. The pieces that I'm cutting out or cutting off, actually put them in a Ziploc bag. The babies love to eat graham crackers, or if they don't eat them, you can make a pie crust out of it later. But you need 2 graham crackers. You're going to cut like this for each side. We'll go ahead and do one now. Like I say, just be patient. Not every one of them works out right. And if it does break, guess what? You can always just break this in half and you can make a side out of it. Okay, so that's the sides. Then these 2 is going to be the other sides. And then these 2 pieces, break them in half, and they're going to be the roof. So that's what you need for each home or house. Sorry, it won't be a home. This time we have, these are really cute, I thought, with the Christmas trees and the, what are they called? Thought these would be cute with the reindeer and the Christmas trees. They're kind of stuck together. But we've got all kinds of candies, as you can see. I mean, just to get the colors, you can do any color, any theme. I mean, if you want them to do Lego or princesses or anything, you can actually buy other things. I've actually got these little goldfish. We're going to do baby shark and put these little fish on here because the twins don't know no better and they think they're eating baby sharks. So we're going to do a house out of these and make a baby shark for the twins. Okay, what holds the house together is icing. My children call it icing. I don't know where they get that from. But anyway, you can make homemade, but this is just a quick way since I've already got to spend time cutting up houses and do everything. You just take this, put it in a Ziploc bag, chop off the end, and glue it together. And I was told that I think it takes about 1 hour to 2 hours to dry. So the reason I'm going to go ahead and cut my pieces up like this for each house for everybody, I'm going to go ahead and do the next step of gluing it together and letting it sit, because the children are outside playing and having fun right now. And if I come in and let them try to put the house together, then they're going to want to go ahead and decorate it, and it's probably going to fall apart. So we'll have a big disaster of houses. Okay, so take the fun thing. I actually put it in 3 different things because we've got several children. I don't want them to fight over it. So I clipped the tip of a Ziploc bag, and I'm just using the Great Value. I have 2 of the pointy ones for the sides, 2 halves for the other sides, and 2 for the roof. I'm going to take this and just squirt it on there. And touch it. Actually holds pretty good. Okay, now we have the other side here. You know what? I think I may need my other sides on the other. I think I got them wrong. Okay, that's pretty sturdy. But yeah, I think my house I should have done my outer sides on the other side instead of the way I got it. We'll change it on the next one. But this will still work. The kids will still have fun with it. But it almost didn't fit. Okay. Okay, and since we have so many of them, I've got some wax paper out. Let's see if we can get this. I'm gonna hang on to it on each side like that. And there is a gingerbread house. I'm gonna sit it on the wax paper, let it sit there, dry at least an hour. We'll check it. If it works in an hour, is dry enough, we'll do that. So we need 2 sides, the roof, and 2 more sides. So we're going to do this again. But I think this time I need it on the outside instead of, so try to remember that these short ones need to be on the outside of the point because my roof was almost too short. Okay. See? I don't want my house to tumble down. Perfect size. You're not wasting a lot of big gingerbread house, and those are so big I've never had one stand up and do good. This I can't believe it's standing up and doing so well. But you can always use, like if you buy these candies like this, they come in different colors, even rainbows. You can take your scissors and cut them for the doors. You can arch them or anything. They actually have them made like this, so this could already be your windows that's already pre-cut. Use a serrated knife on these, and you can cut it and actually go around your doorway, or if you have a window. And then these, if you cut them, you could decorate. That's to do kind of a traditional. Now, I had one that wanted to do like a Frozen, one wants to do a Lego, which I don't have the Lego candies. I've seen you can buy Lego candies, but where we live in the small town, they didn't have Lego chewy candies. So my son's probably gonna use real blocks, but we'll have to clean them later. Then we're gonna do the baby shark house, and I'm not sure what else. In a few minutes after I get through getting all these and let them dry, I'll come back and show you the next step. Take turns.
Wait, do you want to just leave the door open? You didn't want
Hello, Gracie. Y'all just have to pass y'all order. What are you making, Christopher?
Okay. He's putting a door on his Lego house.
Y'all doing Lego houses? What are you building, Samuel?
This door. You got
Dinosaur house? Abby, you know what you're doing? No?
I'm making Prince's house.
Are you?
It doesn't matter if it's staying out.
You know what? I think I'll make another.
One of the twins is asleep right now, so I'm going to try to help with this one a little bit, but
Taste wide.
They usually take a nap at the same time, but
Okay, give me the
one's a little
light.
fussy with teething and things, so
Jimmy.
we have one baby right now.
Eat it.
She already enjoyed that. She's pink and purple.
Daddy said your hand. You can get put it on your thingy.
Christopher. Tell you whenever you put it in.
Let me see your hat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is it like
let me see yours.
a little bit?
I didn't put that.
It's kind of nasty. No, I hate them.
Aw, you have fun, Abby?
I said.
You like this?
No, I did not say that. Yes,
You like it, Gracie?
Yes.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are you doing, Sammy?
I'm trying to get this thing out there.
Look at all the bears on your house and dinosaurs. These feel like Legos, as you can tell.
I don't know how you'll make the eyes. Maybe some sprinkles.
We get sprinkles over there.
These? No.
You get your dinosaurs and your things put back on it.
Okay, you can have it. I want
Does it taste good? Yeah? What's your favorite part?
Candy.
The candy. What's your favorite kind of candy?
And then
The M&M's, of course. Chocolate. What about yours, Abby?
I need the M&M's.
the sprinkles.
The sprinkles. You like the sprinkles? Okay.
Maybe the candy cane sticking out.
That's a big old snowman.
What's as tall as my house?
There's some giants that live in there. We need some miniature marshmallows for snowmen. That's so cute.
Look, Mom. Reindeer flew up on the top of my house.
Did they?
I need some ice
Where's Santa?
He fell off the roof because it's not big enough. Hey, Kay, we can put a little chimney up
We
here.
should put some more icing. Y'all doing such a good job. Still working on y'all's? Got y'all's little Lego subdivision?
What if I write L-E-G-O?
Okay, so we have our Lego house with the man putting on Christmas lights. We have our dinosaur one where the little bears are hiding around back. I thought it was cute. The dinosaurs left. He couldn't find the bear. Then we have kind of a traditional one. Then we have this one, which is a very cute, unique one. This is the NASA one. Then we have another kind of traditional one. Then we have the frozen one, which she started adding colors and stuff and turned it into, I don't know, she still calls it a frozen one. And then we have the fish. We call it a baby shark. For the twins, they love baby sharks. So, but the best thing is, the children had a lot of fun taking the time, picking out their colors and their things. I mean, it was worth it just watching their faces. It's just enjoyable making memories with your children. And if you like our video, like it, share it, click on the bell, and hopefully I'll get better at doing all this and be able to post more videos and do more. It's just I'm so busy all the time with everything that I do. It's hard to do videos and edit them.